Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use filters and effects in the VLLO app to enhance the look of your videos. First, open the VLLO app. Within it, you can create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are inside the editor, look at the bottom right corner of the timeline and tap on Effect. Now on the left side parallel to the timeline, you will see options like filter, effect and distortion. Let's start with filters. Tap on filter. Here you will see two options, filter and adjustment. Tap on filter again. Now a list of filter categories will appear, each containing different filters. To use a filter, you need to download it first. Just tap on the filter and it will automatically start downloading. Once the download is complete, tap on the same filter again to apply it to your clip. You can now control how strong the filter looks by using the strength slider. Keep in mind that some filters are free while others are paid or premium. After applying the filter, tap done. Within it, you will see editing tools like delete, intensity, arrangement, move here and duplicate. This allows you to further adjust the filter. Next, let's use effect. Tap on the effect from the left side menu. Here you will see a list of effects arranged in different categories. Just like filters, some effects are free while some are paid. Unlike filters, effects does not need to download. You can just simply tap on it and it will instantly apply to your clip. Once you are happy with the effect, tap done. And again you will see editing tools like delete, intensity, arrangement, move here and duplicate. If you want, you can make the adjustment, and after all the editing and adjustment, when you are satisfied with the result, tap done and it saves all the changes. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use filters and effects in VLLO to give your video a professional look. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.